everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is another special day. As I told you in the last vlog, we are going somewhere special for our 1-year anniversary, and we are going on a cruise! Yay! We are with my sister at her house in Orlando, Florida, because we're flying, well, not flying, we're actually cruising. We're cruising out of Port Canaveral, and she has so graciously signed up and volunteered to take us there. But first, she has provided great warm beds and a really good breakfast. So everybody say hello to my sister Marcy.
Hi, welcome to my home.
So yep, and that's Kevin back there choosing which teas he wants. She's got a fabulous breakfast full of cinnamon raisin toast, fresh bacon, and a fried egg. It's so nice. We've got a fried egg cooking as we speak. And Kevin is trying to choose which tea to have for breakfast. We got a nice selection here. And we also have tea forte. And Owen's helping him, my nephew Owen is helping him pick out which one. So we're gonna go shortly, and we'll take you along the whole cruise so you can see what happens and how we get down on vacation. Make sure you print your luggage tag instructions from the guest ticket booklet that you receive via email. So Royal Caribbean will email you all of this packet of information that we talked about before with the itinerary and all of that. In it, there are luggage tag instructions. If you can put these on your bags before you get to the port, you will save yourself so much time. And my lovely sister is here to demonstrate how you actually assemble this, because as you can see, I mean, it says fold, do not cut, fold. There's all these folds, but like, how do you actually get that to look like this? So, thank you, Marcy. Take it away.
So you turn it over, and you take your first fold, fold it in, and your second fold. Your goal is just to fold until you reach the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you see, my fold is kind of not that perfect. But eventually, after you fold the pieces, you'll get the tag. Then you're going to fasten the tag around, like this is your luggage piece, and staple here.
So let's see that.
Okay. Now I can't forget your name. It says guest name at the top. We're gonna put your last name.
I'm stapling right where it says staple or tape here so that the luggage tag is secured. And that's it. Now you have your luggage tag already on your bag, and that will help expedite things. As soon as you pull up to the cruise terminal, they will take your bag and put it to your room. You don't have to wait in line and wait for anyone to print anything off for you. A fabulous tip for first-time cruisers. And for anyone who's a veteran cruiser who, you know, just wants to make things go a little bit faster. And we'll do the same thing for the second tag. We have folded it up, writing our last name where it says guest name. And why do we have to do this here again? Like, what's another good reason why we should do it in advance?
It's gonna be a little hectic at the cruise terminal. You have hundreds and hundreds of cars being unloaded and unloaded. The porters are gonna wanna just grab your bags, and in the confusion, you might forget to put a tag on it, and it might get lost. So you want to make sure that you have your tag ready, so when they grab the things, they grab their bags and put them where they need to be, you've got it. Another reason is, if you forget it, they will have tags that you can use, but you'll have to stop in the middle of the bustle and hustle and fill out the tag with all your information about your ship name and your room number. Dig through those documents and find that. Fill out the tag, then give it to the porter. It just really slows you down, and it's usually pretty hot outside. It's hot and crowded, so you definitely want to have this done early.
All right, we're gonna take it from a veteran cruiser who's been on how many cruises now?
Oh goodness, maybe 6?
6 or more. Perfect. We're just about to leave for the cruise, and I want to show you my outfit of the day for day number 1 when we start to embark on our cruise. I'm wearing a brown jersey knit dress that ties in the front and the back. It's sleeveless because it is hot on the cruise, and you don't want to be caught in the Caribbean fully, you know, sleeved in wool. Definitely not. Wear a fabric that is light, that is airy, that is easily washable, and you don't mind, and it's comfortable enough to wear all day and even all night. Another tip is if you're going to drive to Port Canaveral, there are a ton of toll roads. So make sure that you bring a lot of quarters with you so you can pay all of these tolls. And also you can pick up an e-pass. The actual e-pass is free, but you have to pay for the transponder to get across. To our left, we have all of the cruise boats waiting for us to arrive. So as you're driving to your cruise ship, if you are driving, make sure you know which terminal you get off at, and that'll be available in your cruise paperwork. But if not, it'll be listed on the signage. Here we are. Is there any other tips about this specific area? Can you find food and stuff?
No.
Okay. And is that parking? Or is it private parking?
This is the parking you pay.
Here we go. Terminal 1.
Drop off, pick up.
Drop off and pick up. That is our boat. We're about to get on. Woohoo! Before you park, you definitely want to drop off your luggage first. So remember that. This is the cruise terminal parking. You're excited, huh? We're about to be there.
See, this is what you want to do. It's normally be crowded. There's a line of cars out, but you come when there's not a whole lot of people. That's the whole point. Luggage drop off. Look at that. This is great.
Here we go. Luggage drop off.
You don't want to be the first one or the last one.
Here we go. So this is how you drop off your luggage. You're gonna pop the trunk. Is that? Do we get out?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh, whoops. Thank you. There you go. Yes, I'll take the. We'll take our backpack with us.
If you come right when boarding begins or right at the end, it's going to be very crowded. There's going to be long lines of cars and lots of people. But we came in the middle time where the crowds just left and the second crowd is going to be coming in a little while. So let's take a look at what it looks like when you come at this time.
Absolutely nobody. It's wonderful. Nobody's here. These are the luggage sort tags. So make sure that you have your tags on your luggage appropriately. And if you're taking a bus, here you go. This is where it drops off. We just dropped off our bags and now we're gonna go to the cruise terminal. How easy was that? We officially made it on the boat. What do you think, huh?
It's awesome.
It's super cool. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the main cabin. If you turn to the left, there's dining, and off to the right, there's the lounge area. So super cool. We also have an elevator here. Super cool. So we're looking for a stateroom. So luckily on every floor there is a map that shows you where you are and where everything else is on the boat. So thankfully we know which side of the boat to go to because it's hard to remember. So we're on our way to the room. I think we're this way, 3053.
Usually what you do, stop in a circle and do a 360 spin.
Here we are outside of our room. We have welcome aboard. So when we check in, we have our passes here. You're gonna open that up, hun? Do the honors?
Yes. There's one for you, one for me.
These are like our room keys for everything. We eat with these, we pay for stuff for these, and this is a first impression of a Royal Caribbean interior room. All right, first impressions.
Ooh, it's hot in here.
So this is Hun also trying out the bed as a 6'3" man. So his feet go right up to the edge, but the rest of him, his head doesn't quite touch the top. So that's not so bad. How do you feel, babe?
I feel okay, even though we're not going to be in here all the time.
Yeah, so what happens if you like curl your legs up? So getting a different sleep position. So, is it comfortable? How's the bed?
It's very comfortable.
Yeah, is it kind of firm or is it a little bit more soft?
It's firm.
Firm. Okay, that's not so bad. All right, so babe will fit in here. Cool, for all you tall dudes out there. And for the rest of us small people, we have no problem laying down. I have plenty of space to roll around. We just finished the muster drill, so now we know what to do in an emergency. And we're starving, so we're gonna go to Cafe Latitudes and get something to eat. Right, Hun?
Yep.
But not without first walking through the mall. So there's plenty of stuff to buy on this cruise ship. Are we going the right way, Hun?
I think we need to go to our left.
All right.
Dun, dun, dun. Now let's hear the verdict now. What do you think of it?
It's a good turkey sandwich. So it's got turkey, lettuce, mayonnaise, and mayo. It's not an actual sandwich. It's like an open-faced turkey sandwich. It's pretty good. So yeah, for a classic turkey sandwich, I give it, I'd say a good 8. You know, it's a snack, so it's something in between meals. So I think it's the perfect portion, the perfect size. So, all right, Cafe Latitude.
Would you try to make this?
Yeah, I could easily make that. It's just you cut a piece of bread and put some turkey on it. And they also sell Ben & Jerry's ice cream and specialty coffees for an additional price too. We didn't pick up any of that because we're going the free route today with the free water as well. So we're in like a little lounge space. So right next to, so we have the art gallery behind us. We've got these lounge chairs and a nice little table. So that is overlooking the deck, which is super cool. And there's a pianist. She's playing some really cool songs down there. It's just a nice atmosphere. So far, loving the cruise. Are you loving it so far, Hun? It's like the first hour we're on the boat, so very cool. Complimentary rock climbing in the back of the boat, so you can rock climb and then check out the sea. So see, rock climb, meet the sea. We just finished learning all about the cruise ship, but now we are on our way to the casino to learn how to play card games. Oh, fun, huh?
Yep.
Excited to learn how to play some games?
I am.
We're not gamblers, but it'll be fun to learn how. It's at the casino, and here we are.
Oh, look at the floor.
Oh, wow, look at this. This is all on the floor. How cool.
Don't step on your mom's back.
What did you say?
Don't step on your mom's back.
Step on your crack.
Oh yeah, don't step on the crack.
Oh, that's pretty cool floor.
What number? We're on 5.
Cool. Alright, I think so. We went to the casino for a little bit. We had $2 of free play. We won about 90 cents. That's not so bad. And now we decided to check out a comedy show coming right up in the Orpheum Theater. Let's do it. So where would you like to sit?
Let's sit back so we can get up.
We're gonna go upstairs to see if there's any good seating up here. Perfect seats. And a pretty good view. We just got out of the comedy show. What'd you think, Hun?
That was great.
Great. So it was pretty funny. The guy was hilarious. So he does a early morning kind of clean show and then a 10:30 p.m. late night show tomorrow night. So we're definitely gonna check
We're
that out.
definitely gonna see it. It was well worth it.
Alright, so the comedy show is great. Now we're on our way for our first meal. Before we go to dinner, here we go. Get it! Get it! Oh! Get it! This is beautiful here.
You got your favorite.
Exactly. So here we have the menu for the royal dining. We have starters, main courses, desserts. We also have items that are marked gluten-free, lactose, vegetarian, and no sugar added. And this section down here, premium, is an additional fee. So I think I'm going to go maybe with the goat cheese and tomato tart. And we'll see what else I choose. Here's our table. There's her. Oh, my fair lady dining room.
Need it.
Let me tell you, we ate, we laughed,
Yeah,
we
we did.
danced, we ate again.
We stuffed our face.
Yeah, we stuffed our face full of good food, and it's about, what time is it?
11 o'clock.
So it's 11 o'clock on the dot.
I can't even walk right.
Yeah, we can't even walk right. But we had so much fun on day 1 of our anniversary cruise. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna go to bed and see what day 2 will bring. Bye.
Bye.